I wanna all night. Say it. I wanna all night.
Hello, stranger. It's been a minute since we last kicked it. And by the way, just got in time.
I wanna all night. Say it. I wanna all night.
Hello, stranger.
We didn't see the note. Okay, we coming. What? Oh, girl, you forgot?
We got a note.
Okay, come on. Ah! Oh, we know we heard something.
I was like, what is this? I thought honestly it was Giovanni.
I thought it was him too. Hi guys, good morning.
Oh, look, Jada's recording. Good morning. Hey,
Good
guys.
morning.
Hi.
Hi.
Happy Mother's Day.
Thank you.
Thank you.
You guys are so sweet. Should we keep walking?
Yeah. It's your gifts, yeah.
We got gifts. We got gifts.
Sorry.
This mommy?
Mm-hmm. We can read their cards first.
Okay, read card first, okay? Oh, baby's so sweet. Whether I have good news, need some advice, or am just having one of those days, it feels so good to call you. Oh, this is Jalen.
And Giovanni.
And Giovanni.
Mine says, Mom, without you, the world had missed out on something wonderful. Me, the world, and I thank you. Happy Mother's Day.
Oh,
Guys,
that's
it's so sweet.
So this from
Isis.
This
Isis.
is Isis. Ooh.
got the card first.
Mommy, there's an extra note in there. You can read that on your own time.
An extra note.
Yeah. Paper.
Okay. You work hard at being a fantastic mom, and what does it get you? Thank you for being the best mommy a girl could ask for. Love you. This card, which says Happy Mother's Day to a hardworking and fantastic mom.
Thank you. Thank you for being the best stepmom and helping me to succeed.
Oh, so sweet. Yeah.
Yeah, I know it.
I got gifts.
I got gifts too.
Oh.
Ooh, I got a watch. Ooh,
Oh.
girl, bring me out.
A nice bling bling.
You know, she know I love Takis.
That's so cute.
Boys.
I didn't know what cookies you liked. I got a pair too.
You do?
Yeah.
Oh, it's so comfortable and smoothie down there.
Ooh, wow.
Thank you, guys.
Thanks, guys.
welcome.
Mm.
Oh, big hug, group hug. Look at Jayla.
You guys are sweet. Thank you.
Okay.
This is what we woke up to. My babies are so sweet.
They so sweet.
Our babies are wonderful.
Oh, y'all.
Thank you, guys. Giovanni, you're eyeing my cookies.
Yeah.
You want me to share with you? I can share with you, okay? I'll share with all of you guys. And, of course, my favorite.
Kit Kat.
You can't share that.
She don't like these, y'all.
I don't like, oh, what you mean I don't like
I
those?
do.
Boy, I stay by la pour. That's my dinosaur gummies.
I didn't know you liked them. I was going to help
I can
myself
share,
to them.
I know you was. I can share with
I
you.
got some, honey.
Oh, you trying to take extra? Yes, yeah, friend. Yeah, friend.
Hey.
Thank you, guys. Yeah, sweet. Y'all had fun last night? How was the game?
We won.
Y'all won?
Y'all kept y'all cool?
Up top,
They
up
wasn't
top.
even talking. They just lost.
They must have been intimidated by y'all.
Yeah, they lost by 20.
20?
Dang.
Y'all team always shut it down. They team stay
They
shut
only
it
had
down.
8 points.
No, I had 8 points. Yeah.
Oh, Jalen had 8 points.
So now you go, boy.
I had block number 5.
Mm.
Mm.
Trying to ship.
You getting there. More practice. Doing you good, huh? What about you, Isis?
My day yesterday was good.
It was good. The driving?
It was good. I was tired of driving though.
You got tired of driving. You just started.
Because them, like they were young. What did I do?
Let me see her nails. She got off work and went to go get her nails done.
Look at her. She's so responsible. She knows her mommy does not like her to have long nails.
Yeah. No, he didn't even do nothing. He just took the same length and then he just took the
What
paint
was
out.
your length?
Yeah, he just took the paint out.
Oh. Okay. There you go. And it did good. This is beautiful, y'all. Thank you.
That made me want to cry.
It's nice. Giovanni, how was the game last night?
It was good.
You had fun over there?
Yeah.
That's good. You behaved?
Yeah, he did. But he was like, I was like, you didn't see me hit the shot. I hit the shot right on the corner next to him.
Next to
But
him.
he was like, I didn't see it. He was in my phone. I said he could go on my phone and play.
Oh.
He was
We
just
should
on
have
my
gave you the camera to record Jalen. But see,
Don't cry.
that was so.
Don't cry while reading this.
phone.
Don't cry.
Yeah.
I just
Oh, yeah.
Thank you, baby.
Y'all
You're
leave
so
it alone.
sweet.
I thought this was Giovanni out here. I'm like, what is Giovanni doing out there?
So sweet, y'all.
Hopefully y'all didn't come out.
No, but we was in there editing the video. We heard it, but we're like, I don't know what Giovanni doing. My son. Because you be the main one out here in the morning. You be the first one. These are so comfortable.
Yeah, I tried that since I remember. I'm comfortable.
They comfortable. Jayla, I'm gonna have to let you try these shoes because yeah. That part. I'll tell you in a minute. But guys, my babies are so sweet. You guys are becoming responsible babies. Responsible big kids. Yeah. Let me big kids. Teens. There we go.
And one big kid.
Responsible teens and one big kid coming up, right? To becoming a teen.
A preteen, not a teen. Stop.
Boy, you're not even teen height.
You ain't even double digits.
What are you talking about?
Preteen.
Put that out there. These are so cute.
Last night we went to, when we said we was going to McDonald's, we went to McDonald's, then went to Family Dollar.
Oh, yeah? Were you able to buy what you needed? Oh, no, not there.
We need to
Okay.
play with this. So you can, don't mess it down. So, we need to play.
Look at the note, y'all.
You can play, don't mess it down.
These kids, they funny. 30 minutes. This mandatory. Hey, these kids. They're so wonderful. But okay, thank you guys.
As y'all know, I got my Mother's Day gift last week from Shamice. She bought me these slides right here. Yep. That's what Shamice got me for Mother's Day this year. And my mother got me these for Mother's Day from my mom and my dad. They gave me these. I'm wearing these already. I'm probably gonna wear these today with something. I gotta find something to wear them with.
We know y'all missed us.
You know, it's been only a few hours.
We coming. Give us a second. We getting in the car. Oh, sure. I forgot to turn that down. Hold on.
Jesus, help us, Father. My glasses on so I can see. I might need to help her see today, y'all.
Yeah. Y'all know I'm in my feelings. I'm in my feelings. Happy Mother's Day
What's up, y'all?
to you, baby. Happy Mother's Day to you.
Happy Mother's Day to you, my love, my love.
Thank you, baby.
What y'all doing today? It's Sunday, and we slept the day in. Oh.
Girl, we needed all of this. This weekend was ours.
Yes, it was. These your glasses. Oh, no wonder they all greasy. Ah, damn.
Oh, shit.
I gotta go change.
I'll fix it, baby. So you can be in this.
What's up, y'all?
I don't like that one. Yeah, bring that down. No.
Okay, girl. You got it, girl. You got it, girl. What's up, y'all? What's up, people? What's up? We had a minor accident here.
This way or that way?
It don't matter. We cool. Y'all, girl turned the corner and we forgot the tea was in the car. And my outfit got ruined. But, y'all, anyways.
It did. I forgot. Y'all know we used to those long teacups, but I forgot this was the round one. I put it right there.
And went the
And as I bust that all of it fell on baby.
Yeah.
We had to just go home and go change. She had to change ourselves.
Thank God we didn't have to go. We weren't too far up the road. Cause
I don't think we would have got far. I think that was God saving us from something, baby.
Yeah.
He was saving us from something, you know. But we gonna get there on time. You see now this car going slow in front of us. I don't know. I just feel God just protecting us right now, baby. Okay.
I think he is too.
Yes.
So yeah, that concert last night was it. It was great.
Oh, no more shit. You gotta fucking speak the fuck up. What is this car doing? I'm sorry, babe, but what the fuck?
I don't know. I guess he's on a Sunday cruise, honey. He's on a Sunday cruise.
Bro, I'm about to zoom past this motherfucker. Like, bitch, what is you on?
Well, you can't zoom past him right now because
Right,
I'm
the
gonna go into a curve.
I know.
But-
Fuck. Sorry, y'all.
Yeah.
But yeah, it's the concert, baby.
The concert was great, y'all. The concert was great. We had a good time. And got up this morning. Y'all saw the kids got us Mother Day gifts. You know, I gotta give a shout out to Isis, Jalen, Giovanni, and Jamise. Yeah, they all came through. And if you didn't, don't worry about it. We not. You know, we love them all the same right across the board.
Yes, we do.
Oh, Jesus, take the wheel. But, y'all, we're going to have brunch, finish off our Mother's Day weekend. You know, we always tend to do that on Mother's Day. We always go out to eat. May and I, last year, we went to Glory Days and to Krabby's. Because, you know, I wanted some crab legs. And the same day, we was fat last year.
And I don't really like eating nothing that crabby, so we just compromised for each other.
Compromise.
That was so cute.
It was. But we're going to have to make a way out to Krabby's real soon because I'm missing my crab legs.
Okay, baby.
And so, you know, I don't know. Yeah, we're going to do that, y'all. Our anniversary's coming up, and I got a big surprise for babe.
You got a big surprise for me?
Yeah. Don't worry about it. It's not jewelry, though.
No, I'm just saying because Okay, thank you already.
Take me in advance.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. So, now we're going to go have this great brunch. We'll see y'all there.
Yeah.
Bye.
See y'all in a minute. Just arrived, y'all. Let's go and see what their brunch is like. So give us a few.
That's a 723. That sounds like a Walmart size biscuit.
Y'all friend going in already because she want her food right. I was dancing with my drink can. Y'all friend got a Sprite. And she want her food now. She hungry.
Okay, time to wait.
So we ordered and they about to bring out food.
Yep. Oh, he is putting it in. Let me go tell him air fries.
Okay. We was waiting on friends, but some people to join us. They're late, and y'all know we time people, so that's why baby was like, we don't have time to wait. Let's order now, because I'm hungry. We already been here. It's probably, 30 minutes, huh?
Yeah, we're here 30 minutes.
It's all good, though. We're going to order, and we're going to enjoy our brunch. Let me show y'all the place.
Whipping the Pirates. And plus, they ain't got no good music. I don't know the music playing.
I don't hear no music playing.
Y'all know y'all friend.
What you talking about?
Y'all. I like that. If I'm coming to brunch, I like to hear good music. I don't hear no good music. And I ain't there for sitting in the heat and the sun. I take my vitamin D. I don't need the sun vitamin D.
I ain't even gonna think you coming for me. I'm gonna just let you do you because you venting right now. She hungry. I'm gonna let her vent. We in our feelings too? Oh, they better hurry all the way up. What you say, babe?
Girl.
We in our feelings.
I'm in my feelings because I'm hungry.
They stay now, then right now.
Right now. Alright, we're gonna see y'all in a little bit. What's up, guys?
Hey guys, we're leaving. We'll tell y'all about it in a little bit when we get in the car. Bye.
What's up, people? What's up, people? Let me tell you. We always try something once. That something was nasty.
Today it was. That shit fucking cut my goddamn gums.
That shit cut my baby gum.
I was like, oh my god, this chicken is so hard. They fried that shit so hard and it was so fucking dry.
Right, and I had some wings. I wanted some wings so bad. And they was bland and hard.
I'm turning right here.
Right, yeah, turn right here. So we're going where we know. We're going to Glory Days. We might have to wait.
I was like, babe was like, damn, I wanted some wings so bad. It looked good, but it was just not good. And I'm like, damn, y'all know I'm a waffle head. So I was like, and I said that, I was like, let me stick with what I know. Chicken and waffle, the waffle tasted like it was wheat and
waffles.
it was tasting too.
It was gummy.
Yeah, I was like,
yeah.
y'all know I love waffles. I was like, I don't really know they food like that, but come on, if a bitch can't make a waffle, it ain't it.
Right.
I mean, it's a waffle. Come on.
Sure,
I be burning my waffles. That's about it. Turn right here.
At the light. I'm gonna add them on. Yeah, so we're gonna go where we know.
But I know how to get my waffle right.
We're
when
gonna
I
go
want
to
it.
we're gonna go to the Glory Days, and we know they feel good, and we're gonna eat there and call it a wrap because baby, that shit was so nasty. Ugh. Like I ordered some kicking Korean barbecue. And you know what? The crazy part about it was it didn't even taste like barbecue. It tastes like sesame because it had sesame seeds on it.
Yeah.
So I'm like,
we ain't like it.
So that's not a good place for me to eat at. Food critics on the loose.
We really big food critics. Like,
and the lady was like, "Oh, you want something else?" Nope. Okay. But so we'll pay.
I was like, we'll pay for the drinks and we'll pay for the fries. She was like, no,
don't worry
about it.
Okay. Free drink on you.
All right, well, it's time for us to go then. Shit. Bitch. You said the motherfucking word, bitch. We motherfucking out.
We out. We out.
Because I'm like, I would still pay for the drink. I'm going to pay for these drinks and I'm going to pay for these fries. They end up bringing the fries first. And babe was like, oh my God, like, why they can't bring my food out together? My fries and my wings. They could have been made that decision that, y'all got to take this shit back a long time ago.
No, they want to bring your fries out.
They brought the fries first. Like, the fries wasn't supposed to be my appetizer. Like, I'm eating my fries because I don't want my fries to be cold. Why is it brought out
I'm not eating a fry either.
if it's an appetizer? Right, she don't even eat fries like that. But it brought out like it was an appetizer. So. And babe was like, I was like, okay, well, we'll just wait and see till everything get there. No, bitch, girl, I bite into that shit. I was like, oh, that shit hurt for real. Like, it for real hurt. Like, my wisdom teeth are taken out, so it's nothing but gum back there. A pizza, that shit scraped my fucking gum. That shit hurt.
Poor baby.
Let's just go to
Glory Days. Shoot, because at this point, I don't want shit else they got on their menu.
I like Glory Days chicken and waffles. And Glory Days, don't fucking play with me, my nigga. Don't fucking play with me today, Glory Days, okay? Fair expo. I got confidence in you, okay? Glory Days, please.
Don't play with her.
Please don't play with these chicken and waffles. Like, bruh, I'm coming out for chicken and waffles. Y'all know a bitch make chicken and waffles. So,
right.
I'm on your ass, motherfucking Glory Days.
That booty, boy.
Let's go. But yeah, it's all good though. We just know, when time is up, time is up. Just, you know what I'm saying? We'll give you that. We'll give you the hand, but when you try to take the whole body, you got us fucked up.
Yeah. Take my damn body back because your shit nasty.
We don't play like that.
Your shit is nasty.
We don't play like that. She was like, okay, don't worry worry about it. I was like, well, shit, is she gonna bring us a check for the drink? Baby was like, no. She said,
Don't worry about it.
don't worry about it. I was like, okay.
So I ain't worrying about it. I'm getting up and
Be
going
like,
about my business.
time to get the fuck up and up out of here.
Yep.
We will. Deuces. Hey, y'all freak crazy. What you say, baby?
We at the real restaurant. We know our place.
We at the restaurant where we know our place.
Yes, girl.
Yeah,
We know what
we
their
at.
food tastes like.
Right.
I'm a food. Damn, they got a Taco Bell right there. Oh, wow.
You just ain't been here. I think the first watch just got here though. But I think the Taco Bell been there.
I think so. They just updated it.
They had to, and the first watch probably just got there too.
Yeah.
Y'all admit it. We about to walk in here. Look at y'all friend posing for a picture. Bring your ass here. I got you. I took the picture. Come on. Huh?
You trying to set me up.
Come on, babe. We just got a Mother's Day card, y'all.
Yes, y'all.
They doing it big. $10 off for our next visit. And it's cool. Okay, bye, guys.
Service over there sucks.
Oh my God. Okay, let me. Babe, I'm recording you.
Oh. Well,
That's just felt. And the lady was like, oh, they're always like that, but she was drunk. So I don't know if she even
she was
realized.
like, they're not always like that. She was like, she didn't know what was the issue today. They ain't have enough servers, and everybody was in slow-mo. Like they was still trying to recover from last night.
They had to be. They had to be, baby. Hold on. They had to be. So baby was like, bitch, no and no. That old lady's over there keep looking at me, y'all, but it's all good. She see beautifulness. She see me pretty. She keep looking at me. But I'm gonna say hi to her in a minute, y'all. Round two, y'all. The first one was just, you know, play, but round two. Wifey laughing at me. I gotta sip slow. Thank
Those
you.
chicken waffles look awful good today.
They do. They do. Y'all switched up on me. Y'all normally have the big one, but let's see.
Can I get some ranch?
Absolutely, I'll be right back with that for you.
Thank
Can
you.
I get you guys anything else besides ranch? I'll be right back all at once.
That's it right now. Thank you. They got wings though. Now let's see how they taste.
They already smell good.
Cause I was saying you should have banging that thing. Hold on, y'all. I'm gonna get a car wash now. Oh. Go ahead, my baby. Yeah, I know. Gotta take care of my baby. Gotta see her from the back. Hey, girl.
Don't get beat up.
Right here too, and here undercover. All right.
Oh, they ain't have no helmets on. Ooh.
That's what he just got them for?
Yes, girl.
Yeah. We just got our baby wash. You're like, damn. My baby, know it was mad at us because she was so dirty. She was dirty, but she good and clean now.
Clean now.
Because we can recognize it. Baby was like, is that okay? Yes. Where we going now, baby? Home? All right. See y'all at the house. Let me go this way. Hey guys. We home now. We done finally made it to the house. Chilling. I was just talking to my mommy. And, hold on, boy. Oh, you good. What happened?
So I didn't even do that. So I was gonna ask you. You know what a hoverboard is, right?
I know what a hoverboard is, son.
So I was gonna ask you, can I buy one?
Can you buy one? From where?
My homeboy, Carlos. He's selling it. He doesn't want it anymore.
He's selling it for how much?
15. It goes for like hundreds.
Right.
But he said he doesn't want it anymore.
What you gonna do with it?
Play with it, ride it. That's what it's for.
You gonna ride it?
He said right now as we speak. He was right there. It's probably.
You finna go to the park?
We just went. We just came back.
Oh, y'all just came back. Okay, all right, sir. I'll talk about you. Wait, he's trying to sell it to you right now? Don't you got money?
Yeah. That's why I'm asking you to make sure.
Oh, you want to ask me first? Oh, okay, you're so sweet. You know, because if that bitch would have came in here and we ain't know,
Throw it away.
it would have went back where it came from. Well, you trying to get it right now?
He's
It's
right
a
there.
hoverboard.
I know. He was right there.
This child of mine. Okay, spend your money. How much money you got left anyway?
I'm like, I don't even know.
I thought you said you wanted some cologne.
Cologne, deodorant. Isis didn't take you yesterday?
She just went to Dollar Tree.
Okay, well, you did say you want,
Dior. Yeah, I'll give you this. You said 12?
Yeah.
I think you got that.
Okay. Why you keep busting these balloons? Yeah, that's the third one you done bust today. And you always holler, I didn't mean to.
Here we go, y'all. Here we go. Ew. That was Jalen and his hoverboard shenanigans he want now. Elia's laid down, baby. You okay?
Mm-hmm.
Your stomach hurt? You just tired?
Girl, I'm tired. And I need some ice packs on my back. Yeah. To take down the swelling.
All right, give me a second, y'all. What's this, baby? Okay. My big foot. What made you want to get that?
I don't know. It's the little trend I see going around. So I want to be stylish.
Oh,
I want us to be stylish.
I want to make sure my feet still get circulation.
Get circulation. Crazy lady.
All right. Well, I'll put it for you, baby.
Thank you. See, you got silver, I got black. We got beads.
We got beads. Where you get a trend? Hey,
Hey, it's a good trend.
look at this trend this girl got us doing.
Hey, it's the lymphatic waist loss beads.
Oh, that's what it is?
Yes.
All right, so I'm gonna put my beads on my belly, baby. Somebody, you bought some beads for your stomach and you ain't never wear them. Okay.
Well, she be talking about me buying stuff. I use everything I buy.
She do.
Everything.
I buy my shit for a certain occasion. Like I want it, okay, I'm gonna get it. But bitch, when it pop out, it pop out. I ain't gonna pop it out right now. Baby pop her shit as soon as that bitch hit the house.
See? Just came in and I popped it on.
Popped it on. That's her. Not I. Well, let me tell y'all what happened. So, by the time...
A couple more of these.
Babe, I only seen one.
It's in a deep freezer.
Oh, then you got them outside.
Yeah, I'm gonna lay on my belly and then put a towel on the back and then go put the ice pack on. And I'll get the rest.
Sure. Okay. So now we got beads. Lymphatic beads on our legs, y'all. So, child, how about I bought y'all mother-in-law, my mom, her Mother's Day gift or whatever. It got delivered. Well, it didn't get delivered. So how about I called my daddy yesterday. I was like, Daddy. I bought this gift for mommy or whatever. You know, I need you to go pick it up. I had basically just bought her some edible arrangements or whatever. And hold on, y'all. So yeah, I'm gonna go get more ice pack. End up buying her some edible arrangement or whatever. So I was like, Daddy, I bought the edible arrangements or whatever. Can you go pick them up or whatever? So he was like, oh, you always doing something nice or whatever. He was like, go get it. He was like, just send me the information, I'll go get it. So I sent him the information or whatever. So I called him like around 11 or something. I know my dad, he likes to sleep during the day or whatever and be up in the afternoon and all night. So he was like, I bet you need 4?
Yeah, I'm just gonna show you where to put it.
All right, hold on, I gotta get one more. Hey, Giovanni, go to the deep freezer and get one of the yes, please. So I was like, okay, so he say, oh, I'll go get it. So just when I called him to see if he want to go get it or whatever, and he was like, yeah. I say, Daddy, did you go get it for me? He say, you asked me to do something, I'm gonna get up early. He said, you know I don't get up early, but if you ask, he was like, once you ask, I'm going. I was like, He was so spoiled. I gotta put the towel on first, right?
Yes, the towel first.
And you want me to just sit it on your back?
Yes, honey. So, 3 going across the back.
Your lower back.
Yes. And then 1 in the middle.
Okay. I think we gotta do it like this. So yeah, I was like, yeah. He was like, you asked me. He said, oh, I've been up since early this morning. Didn't he, babe? He was like, I've been up since early this morning. You asked me, I got up and I went to go and get it. So y'all, he went to go pick up the edible arrangements for her or whatever. So now she been in church because the kids been calling her. I've been calling her, whatever. Well, I ain't call her until not too long ago. But then, yeah, when I did call her, she didn't answer. But the kids called her. Yeah, she was in church. The kids had called her earlier. So, finally she called me back. I'm like, where you at? What you doing? Whatever. She just left church. So now guess where she going? Straight to fucking work. I was like, you're not going home? She was like, no, I'm going to work. She was like, she talked to Giovanni and Giovanni was like, Grandma, why are you going to work? She was like, Giovanni, I got to go to work. If I don't go to work, you ain't going to get no, you ain't going to have no money. He said, well, okay then.
Go on.
Go on. Go on. Happy Mother's Day. Have a good day. Skedaddle.
I need my money, honey.
I would still need my little coins from my grandma. So, yeah, so that happened. And I'm like, so she ain't going to get the, her gift until tonight. Look, it's all good. It's all good. She'll find it. Daddy will leave it there by They talk about, well, as long as Harry don't see it.
As long as Harry don't see it.
As long as Harry, my brother. It's about, as long as your brother don't see it, bitch, the shit might still be there. That nigga be gobbling. He be in everybody's shit. But, yeah. So, that's what happened. So, waiting on this chick for later on tonight. That's why I ain't posted nothing yet. But most definitely, Happy Mother's Day again to you guys. Happy Mother's Day to my mommy. And, I'll see y'all later. That's y'all friend right now. Hey, listen. So, let me pause this. So, me and baby in here, as she lay there, you know, getting her little swelling thing down, whatever. We watching our video from yesterday. So, what I forgot to mention is that, hey, the day I got the ticket, I went to go get some fish with my wifey for a particular person.
Go ahead. Tell me who you got to get the fish for, girl.
I went to go get the fish for Reese's mom. So I kind of feel that it's partially your fault. So I think you should give me this money to pay for this ticket because I was being a good, person. My wifey could not drive that day, and she needed my assistance. So I assisted her on going way over there to get the fish, which I could have honestly been home. I could have been home, but me being the good person that I am, I'm like, okay, your mama says she wants some fish or whatever. I can help you out with that or whatever. And I think that was the day for real. We went to go get, was we with ISIS that day? Mm-hmm. That day we was with ISIS and the dog was running behind me. The dog said yes. See, I got a camera light ticket now, and I also got a dog that chased my ass that same fucking day. And all that happened to me. So, ma'am, please and thank you. You can go ahead and cash app your daughter $158 for me, please. And thank you, okay? Because I really felt like I shouldn't have to pay that. Because, I was home. I was doing you a favor, honestly, and doing your daughter a favor. So, y'all work that out. I just need, I'm just saying please and thank you. If you can send $158 over here so I can pay my ticket so nothing don't happen to the person that went to go get you the fish just in case sometime in the future. You remember my hat, the future? You know what I'm saying? Sometime in the future, like now, that my baby can drive again, and I would have to go be that good wife of hers and go get her mom some fish. So y'all, for real, I think her mom need to help out with this, because she was craving some fish, or she was feeding some fish, whatever it was. I don't know. I was just being a good person. So again, I'm gonna continue watching this video of ours from yesterday. But again, I just want y'all to know, of course, as well too, that we love y'all, and we even taking copyrights for y'all. You hear me? Yes, we took a copyright for y'all yesterday. So that goes to tell you we missed out on yesterday's coins, okay, for getting a copyright so y'all can see our day and our concert and everything. Because y'all, you know, the Maxwell concert in itself was just amazing. So the little snippet that we was able to give you guys, you know, I'm hoping that you guys enjoyed it, because we enjoyed it. So again, like I said, we did get a copyright for y'all to see our day. So if y'all need my Cash App too, you know what I'm saying? I'll put it up. Hey, go ahead and Cash App it. You know what I'm saying? Put it in there. But we did get a copyright. So if you wonder if we love you, we do. All right, we're about to go back to watching this video. But yeah, man, I was just watching this video and I'm like, dang, that's crazy. We did.
She tried to blame that ticket on me. I know I wasn't driving that day.
You wasn't driving, but you was in a vehicle. But you know, on Saturdays and Sundays, my dome is home, okay? And I went to go do you a favor.
Good deed.
I went to go do a good deed. Yeah, I did. I went.
Good Samaritan.
Okay. So, ma'am, please and thank you. If you can send your daughter $158, it'll be great. Okay, bye. Hey guys, thank you, garage trainer.
I can't even find out.
My wife got all this shit up there. I'm rolling with these boys. I'm gonna take them to go get a box of pizza, because they already know there won't be any cooking today. So, in a little bit.
She's talking about my time.
Trying to fight for the front. Hey y'all, see I'm in it. This guy. You guys got that thing set up. Sir, I think we need to shuffle this again, because I don't know if you cheated.
I didn't cheat.
You didn't cheat?
I shuffled it and I put it down. If I had my phone, I would have recorded it so you know I'm not cheating.
Okay. I'm rolling with the same hand he dealt. Let's see. Get y'all friend back down. She just whined like a baby. Like a baby, y'all. No, I'm telling them to look at you, because you was just whining like a whole baby. Her body was hurting her. She was sore. So I had to rub her down again.
Y'all, let me tell you. My baby did a good job rubbing me down. She did. I know in her mind she was complaining. She was probably cussing me out. It's okay, honey.
It's okay.
I promise you. When I get better, I'm going to take you for a full body massage.
No, before you get better. Turn to you now. Before you get better, I'm going.
We're going to go get a couples massage.
No, you can't. You. Well, they can give you a massage right now, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Get a couples massage.
Yeah, we need it now, not before.
We're going to
you get
have
better.
a date so we can go to the jacuzzi. Just sit in the jacuzzi after the massage.
That's what she want.
And just have a nice little getaway. Would that be nice, honey?
That sounds beautiful.
Okay.
Because I need that soon, because, honey,
My baby hurting. Her back hurt too.
My back be hurting. My hands be hurting. Remember, mind you, I have to rub it down. I had surgery too. This hand, that's why I'm always cracking my knuckles because, you know, I had my surgery too. So I got to keep this hand in motion. So it kind of works for me to rub her down because I'm like doing like this. You know, my hand is in motion or whatever. So it works for me when I'm rubbing her down. But this woman.
But y'all, I Googled it on YouTube.
What did it say, baby?
And Dr. Karen said, by the end of my 3rd week, beginning of the 4th week, the soreness should start subsiding. And I should be able to get back to my regularly scheduled exercises.
Where's the water?
Excuse me. Babe, talk to the people. And I can't wait. Cause y'all,
My wife.
me and
She's
my
funny.
baby, we do, y'all.
Yeah, I know. We do our thing.
We do.
We do our thing. Baby just be needing that little TLC, that little extra TLC at the end of the day. And that's on any given day. Regardless if we did something or we didn't do something, it's just a rub down is needed for her in order for her to feel good. But
Girl, make sure you get your rub down, get in the jacuzzi, and then get in that bed. And just...
You sure you're just gonna let me just by myself? You need to hurry up and finish baking.
Because my baby been working hard this last month, y'all. I'm so proud of her.
You are, baby?
I am.
Thank
y'all.
you.
I know there was days, I know I was looking at my baby, I was like, oh my God, this girl about to throw in the child. But I said, Jesus, help your daughter. Give her a little more strength.
He did.
He gave baby some more strength.
I just be needing to break away really quickly, get in my feelings a little bit in a good way. And then once I come back, like I come back stronger and I'm good. But I just literally, you know, you need a break. And like I'm human. You get what I'm saying? And
I think it's because, y'all, I have baby so spoiled. And then when I get down, she be like, oh.
no, I mean, what you're saying is true. I am so spoiled where wifey does everything, practically everything, literally, bro, everything. I see I be working. I work, we both make the money, but she's the one that does majority of the runarounds. Like, I don't do the runarounds. And, you know, when there's packages to be dropped off, mail to be picked up, laundry, like she has a set day she does this. You know, where she does one, then I do the other. She does one, I do the other. But now I got to do both. You know what I'm saying? I got to fill in for everything. And it's like, whoa, you know, where you really realize and see that 2 is better than 1. You know, and that's some real shit. 2 is better than 1 because when you're 1, I got to do everything for myself. I'm just doing it for myself. But this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yep. You know what I'm saying? In the house right now, it's 5 of us. So she's the biggest baby of them all. Giovanni wanted to play, he wanted to play Uno. He had asked me from earlier today. And I was like, nah, Giovanni, I'm resting or whatever. And then not too long ago after I had massage wifey, he came back. He was like, Mommy, you want to play Uno with me? I'm like, no, Giovanni, I'm sick. But I'm like, you know what? It does something to me. I can't keep saying no, where in fact, where I'm in here still doing me. I'm still making sure wifey good. Let me just give him a little Uno time. You get what I'm saying? Like,
she just want to go beat the man.
I whooped his ass.
That's it. She want to go get him.
That too, but it's just that, you know what I'm saying? Let me just go spend a little QT with him. You get what I'm saying?
I was so proud of babe.
I was like, damn, I'm trying to, you know, me, like my resting day. This one being a whole big baby. She don't want to bother me. She don't want to say it, but she don't need to say it because it's showing. The action is literally loud as fuck, basically. and it's on her face, like the action, the facial expression, the body movement, it's fucking with her. I see that shit. I can't just see that shit and not do nothing about it. You know what I'm saying? So I can't. So I get up. Okay, what you need? Oh, I need this and that's. Did you take this? Did you do that? Oh no, it's here. Listen, the pharmacist is here. You need me to go get all these medications your ass be fucking tasting? Tell me. Tell me. You know, so I'm trying to take care of wifey, make sure she good, and my baby just wanted some Uno time. So I went out there, played a little Uno with him before he went to bed. And other than that, you know, you gotta break up the time. You know, I have to break up the time, and like I said, a lot of it does. It really get overwhelming where you have to break up your time as a mom. Here's the mom part. The mom part, I gotta, you know, be mom, be wife, be maid, be pharmacist, be a whole, you know what I'm saying, a sex toy out here, all that good shit. It's just, you know.
Right now, y'all, she only used to wearing about 5 hats. Now she gotta wear about
10.
10.
You know. It's all good though. It's coming together.
It's coming together.
It's coming together.
The body coming together.
I'm glad that body almost done cooking, y'all. It's got a little tester. I'm just saying. Yeah, I done test a little body. You know when the pound cake is almost finished baking, baby putting the little toothpick in there to see if it's almost done. And I'm like, ooh, baby. She almost done baking, y'all. Woo! I'm about to get up in that pound cake. Like, I'm just thinking about the baking part, and I just want to...
Yeah, my wife got problems over there.
It's in my head. I can't, you know what I'm saying? I'm keeping it PG. But she almost done baking, y'all. That's it. That's it. Bucket, that's it. But, man, listen, it's been a great weekend.
It has. Been an excellent weekend. We've had fun. You know, we pampered each other, did what we do.
Yeah.
And now we're just waiting for, Yes, we're just waiting for our anniversary to come around. And everything. So y'all know what y'all gotta do? Y'all better hit that like, comment, subscribe, turn on those notifications, tell your mama, your daddy, your sisters, your brothers. Tell everybody that you know. It's the Reese and Fany Empire, baby. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Good night.
Bye, guys.
See you tomorrow.
I wanna all night. Say it. I wanna all night.
Hello, stranger. It's been a minute since we last kicked it. And by the way, just got into